Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the watch. Plug the charger in and charge to about 50% so updates won't interrupt. Once charging, press and hold the side button 3-5 seconds to power on. Next, install the T800 companion app on your phone and enable Bluetooth and location so the devices can discover each other. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is not connected to other gadgets. This avoids pairing conflicts and speeds the initial sync. You now pair and configure the watch. Open the app, tap Add Device, and choose T800 from the list. Confirm the pairing code shown on both screens to verify identity. Grant permissions for notifications, contacts, and location so features like call alerts and GPS work. If prompted, update firmware. This fixes bugs and improves battery life, and keep the watch within 1 to 2 meters of the phone until syncing finishes. Once done, review the default watch face. You finish by customizing and testing essential features so the watch fits your routine. In the app, change the watch face, adjust notification preferences, and enable health tracking modes you'll use. Then test calls, message alerts, heart rate readings, GPS activity mode, and alarms to confirm everything works. If something goes wrong, try a quick troubleshooting step. Restart both the watch and phone, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then retry pairing. This clears common connection issues and usually resolves the problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.